experiments that I described. The experiment is extremely difficult. We made some preliminary calculation, and one has to increase the coherence time of a factor 100 respect to what you have now. It's not strictly impossible, but it will be very, very difficult. But okay, this is another possibility to search for some quantum gravity effect.
Do you think with more refined measurements, the quantum superposition of different space-time geometries could possibly be seen?
You mean in the lab?
Yes.
Yeah, the point is that, of course, you have to search if you have, how big is this effect. Usually, since these are sensed with nano systems, these nanosystems sensing can really be improved with quantum method. The point is that if this is sufficient for looking for this very, very small effect, but this would in any case be an advantage by using quantum systems, because we know that for this nanosensor, quantum systems can have an improvement with respect to the classical one.